You clicked on this video for a reason, to figure out how to reset or restart your progress and steal a brain rot. I got you, so stick with me through the full video because I'll break down the real methods players are using and the pros and cons of each. First thing you need to know, the game doesn't give you a clean reset progress button in the menu. That means if you want to truly start fresh, the most reliable method is leaving your current Roblox account behind and creating a brand new one. It's a hard reset. You'll lose your stats, items, and progress, but you'll also get that brand new player experience without anything carrying over. Now, some players tried deleting their local save cache, hoping that clears everything, but here's the catch. Your core progress is tied to your Roblox account, not just your device. Wiping local files might reset certain visual things, but it usually won't erase your real in-game progression. That's why a new account is the only guaranteed full wipe. If you don't actually want to throw away your whole profile, there's another way to simulate a restart. Use private servers or solo lobbies to regrind your progress. Start with basic items, farm them up again, and challenge yourself as if you're starting from zero. It's slower, but it gives you that reset feeling without sacrificing everything tied to your Roblox account. Here's a pro tip. Before you reset, think about what you're really trying to fix. If it's just wasted stats, test builds in private lobbies first. If it's cluttered inventory, practice with drops and trades. Full reset should only be your last resort because once you wipe your account, there's no going back. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment about the problem and I'll help you out.